Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll travel to face Karela United away from home. It's going to be a very difficult game considering the fact they are currently at the top of the Ghana Premier League table, and we're going to need more than luck to beat them away from home. I know we haven't lost a game away from home this season, and I'm hoping we keep it that way because I feel it's going to be very difficult today for us, and I would be extremely pleased if we win against Karela United today. So I'm hoping we put out our best performances, and I know injury is not on our side right now because a lot of players have been reported going on injury spell and taking a knock in the training and all that. I just hope they return ahead of today's game. It's going to be a very difficult game. Justin Smith said the same thing. He said that the game won't be easy since they are traveling to face Karela United, but a win today will put Kotoko at the top of the Ghana Premier League table, and that is what I'm hoping to see. Now, for Karela United, Dwight Taylor has been scoring goals. I think he's currently the top goal scorer of the Ghana Premier League. I think 9 goals or so. Scoring the top goal scorer of the Ghana Premier League is going to be at his best today. So our defense has to be very compact today if we want to keep them from scoring. And Umar Bashir, the player we let go on a free, has gotten the man of the match award 3 or 4 times this season, and he has already stated that they are ready for Kotoko and they'll be looking to beat Kotoko today. So I hope we'll be able to contain those 2 players because those are their best players, and I think we have to be at our best if you want to get a very positive result in that game. Now, personally, I think the way we line up today is going to be very important because I want Augustine Okra to start. Since in Nate, I don't know if Nate is fit now. I want Emmanuel Jimfi to start if Nate is not fit to play the game, because I don't want to see Naby Keita in the starting lineup. No, I don't want to see Naby Keita in the starting lineup. His last performance was awful. I know he scored a penalty, but his performance before the penalty, awful. I don't want to see him in that game. Frimpong, I don't know. Emmanuel Keke is not back. Sakode should start this game, and I'm hoping we play very well, compact. Johnson Smith obviously has a plan. He always has a plan. So I think he's going to tell the boys to stick to plan and hope for a very good result. Like, they should play very well, stick to plan, and the result will come. I'm sure that is what he's going to tell them. But personally, I'm not too scared of Karela United. I'm just optimistic that we're going to get a positive result. We might beat them in their home, so we just have to be very compact, focus, and play as if it's a final. I'm very sure we are going to beat them. So overall, I think we are going to beat Karela United at a 1-0. It's going to be very difficult to score 2 goals at Karela United home ground. So I'm going with 1-0 win for Kotoko. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me your predictions, because it's going to be a very crucial game. Fabio Gama will be playing this game, obviously. I hope he turns up today because everybody was expecting him to turn up against Inter Allies, to get a goal against Inter Allies. He couldn't. Unfortunately, I'm hoping he'll get it against Karela United. Imagine Fabio Gama scoring the only goal against Karela United to send us top of the table. Is going to be poetic. It's going to be poetic. The headlines in the country will be bonkers. So I hope Fabio Gama gets a very good game. I hope Kwame Poku starts scoring goal because I was expecting him to score that penalty. Either him or Fabio Gama to score the penalty against Inter Allies, but Naby Keita decided to do that since he's #1 penalty taker. So I'm expecting Fabio Gama and Kwame Poku to have a very good game. I'm expecting Yusuf Mubarak to come back to the defense for Wahab Adams, and I don't think Habib Mohamed is fit. If he's fit, I'll be expecting to see him in the defensive midfield position. So that is all I have for today, but I'm very optimistic that we're going to get a positive result today against Karela United. I would like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think about the game. So I'll be giving you my match review after the game, and that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to that right now, till next time, guys, goodbye.